This is Maine for Suze. I am doing this as a video response to Ricky Russo, who's supposed to want the significant others of those on YouTube to tell what they want for their significant other or whatever. And here's the deal. My significant other, Den 1013, most of you know that. This isn't for him. This will be for me. I would like the Dustin Pedroia card, as you can see by my autograph bat, not his. So I just want it to be known that the card is going to me. If you so choose to give the card to anyone, I would appreciate it. As I am a New England girl, don't hold it against me. And yay Pats. I also heard you got a Patrice Bergeron, which one of my favorite Boston Bruins, and that would also be, you know, if it falls in the envelope and it would come this way, I wouldn't have a problem with that. So, anyway, just once again, Maine for Suze, Den 1013's significant other, i.e. wife, likes the Dustin Pedroia. And I'd be looking for it in the mail. Thanks anyway.